So this is the thermal compound that I will be using for my laptop today. Okay, so here's the thermal compound that I will be using, and I will be using a magnetic screwdriver and two magnets to put the screws on them so I don't lose them, and I will be using 70% isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so I need to remove these four screws to remove this panel, then I will be able to access the CPU cooler. The screws are ordered from 1 to 5. I'm removing it in the opposite order, and when I reinstall it again, I will use the correct order. Now I'm trying to carefully remove the heatsink from the CPU. So this is how the thermal compound looks on the cooler, and on the CPU they are solid like a rock. They are hard to move and I can't remove them with the isopropyl alcohol, so I will scrape them off.